Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link cells in Excel. This fundamental skill allows you to pull data from one sheet into another, creating dynamic connections. We'll focus on the most direct and efficient method, using the equal sign. This approach ensures your data remains consistent and automatically updates across your workbook, saving you valuable time and effort. It's a straightforward process that provides immediate visual confirmation of your link, making your spreadsheets more powerful. Let's walk through the simple steps. First, click on the cell in your current sheet where you want the linked data to appear. Next, type an equals sign into that cell. Now, navigate to the sheet containing the source data. Once there, simply click on the specific cell you want to link. Excel will automatically build the reference for you, making it incredibly easy to connect your information. Once you've clicked the source cell, you'll see the formula appear in your destination cell. It will look something like equals sheet 2 exclamation mark a 1. The sheet name, enclosed in single quotes if it contains spaces, is followed by an exclamation mark, then the cell reference. This clear structure tells Excel exactly where to find the data. Just press enter, and the value from your source cell will instantly appear. The best part about linking cells this way is the dynamic update feature. If the data in your source cell changes, the linked cell will automatically reflect that new value. This saves you countless hours of manual updating and significantly reduces the chance of errors. It's incredibly useful for building interactive dashboards, summary reports, or any scenario where you need consistent, real-time data across multiple sheets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.